Want to create a second Thread account? Then you're on the right video. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is head over to your application Thread. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once logged in, tap and hold this icon at the bottom right corner, and then click on Add Profile. If you already have your Instagram account logged in on your device, and if you haven't created your account yet, then you can simply click on Join with Instagram, or else tap on Login with another Instagram account at the bottom of the screen. Let me click on one of the Instagram account from here. Wait for a while for it to load. All you're going to do is enter your username, and then your Thread account will be automatically created. You do not have to do anything. You can see that 2 different profiles has been added on Threads. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.